Welcome to The Voice America. Today we'll be discussing on how Mary Trump's attorney says Donald Trump lawsuit over Nighttime's Exposé is doomed to failure. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to always get updated on our latest video. Let's begin. Mary Trump's attorney says that Donald Trump's lawsuit against his niece, and therefore the Nighttimes, is doomed to failure and another effort to stifle freedom of speech and freedom of the press. This is the latest during a long line of frivolous lawsuits by Donald Trump that focus on truthful speech and important journalism on problems with public concern, said Theodore J. Boutros Jr., who is representing Mary Trump. It is doomed to failure just like the remainder of his baseless efforts to relax freedom of speech and of the press. On Monday, Trump sued over the Times 2018 expose on the Trump family taxes. In his lawsuit, filed in NY Supreme Court, read it here, Trump claims that his niece, the Days, and its reporters engaged in an insidious plot to get confidential and highly sensitive records which they exploited for his or her own benefit and utilized as a way of falsely legitimizing their publicized works. The Times investigation alleged that Trump participated in dubious tax schemes within the 1990s that substantially increased the fortune he inherited from his parents' estates. Among other things, the expose alleged that Trump found out a sham corporation to shield gifts from his parents from taxes and also helped his father, Fred Trump, take improper tax deductions. All told, consistent with the Days, Trump received $413 million from his father's land businesses. Mary Trump chronicled her participation within the Times series in her book, An Excessive Amount of and Never Enough, which when published last year triggered a lawsuit by Donald Trump's brother Robert. But a replacement York judge refused to issue a restraining order to dam its publication, concluding that a confidentiality clause in an agreement that she signed in 2001 was too broad. In his lawsuit, the previous president also names Nighttime's reporters Suzanne Craig, David Barstow, and Russell Buettner. The suit claims include breach of contract and unjust enrichment by Mary Trump and tortious interference with a contract by the Days and its reporters. The lawsuit claims that the expose caused Trump a minimum of $100 million in damages. A spokesperson for the Days said, "The Times' coverage of Donald Trump's taxes helped inform citizens through meticulous reporting on a topic of overriding public interest. This lawsuit is an effort to silence independent news organizations and that we decide to vigorously defend against it." Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to always get updated on our latest video.